Hi there, my name is Seth Lubin, and today we're going to talk about the Value Adjustment Board. We've had a lot of questions about what exactly is the Value Adjustment Board. Well, the Value Adjustment Board is actually a phrase that's used in the state of Florida. In other places, it's also known as the Board of Equalization. Now, the Value Adjustment Board, they consider and render decisions on all appeals of property tax assessments. When anybody has a complaint about how much their property is assessed, they go in front of the Value Adjustment Board in order to try to get that amount reduced. Now, the Value Adjustment Board is made up of 3 commissioners and 2 school board members. What they do is they appoint a special magistrate who sort of acts like a judge in a hearing with the property owners and the property appraiser to determine what the problem is that the property owner has, whether it's a matter of their market value being lower than the assessed value, whether there's exemption problems, whether there's been problems with the property that the property appraiser may not be aware of. All of these issues come up in front of the special magistrate. The special magistrate, who has to be either a qualified real estate appraiser or a qualified personal property appraiser or an attorney, what they do is they determine whether or not the assessed value exceeds the market value as of January 1st of the relevant tax year. And keep in mind that the special magistrate is actually independent of the property appraiser. So the VAB and the property appraiser are not the same entity, or at least they're not supposed to be. And actually the Value Adjustment Board, like I said, they act like a judge to determine whether or not the property appraiser acted correctly in their appraisal of your property. Now, something that's very important to understand. The Value Adjustment Board can only change the valuation of your property if, number one, there was a mistake. For example, they say that you have a pool and you don't have a pool. Or 2, the property appraiser did not follow the Florida statutes. For example, they assessed the property at a higher rate than what is on the market, whatever the market value is. Another issue that they might reduce the value is, let's say you have some repairs on the property that the property appraiser wasn't aware of. That's another reason why they would reduce it. So the Value Adjustment Board is just going to look at the Florida statutes and make sure that the property appraiser followed those statutes in determining what the value of your home is. Stay tuned. We're probably going to have some more videos coming up about the VAB, the appeal process, what happens at a hearing. So we hope you stay tuned.